Good morning, class 4. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, and the name of this chapter is Beaks and Claws. So students, open page number 33 in your EVS book. On this page you can see number of the chapter, which is 7, and the name of the chapter, which is Beaks and Claws. You can see a girl. Who is she? She is Ria. Ria is telling something to us. Let's see what is it. I saw a program on the National Geographic Channel about birds. I noticed that all birds do not have the same kind of beaks and claws. A bird's beak and claws can tell us a lot about it. So Ria is telling that she saw a program on the National Geographic Channel about birds. She noticed that all birds do not have the same kind of beaks and claws. A bird's beak and claws can tell us a lot about it. Now about beaks. All birds have beaks that help them to obtain their food. Beaks are also used for defense and to gather materials for the nest. So here you have to underline two words. Obtain. Obtain means to gain something. Defense. Defense means protection. So beak of all birds helps them to get food. The bird builds its nest with its beak and also protects itself with the help of beak. Now fact ant. The toucan's beak is much longer than its body. It has air holes and is hence not heavy. So toucan's beak is many times larger than its body but is not heavy because there are many holes in its beak through which the air can pass and due to which its beak is not heavy. Is that clear? Now the table given below tells you about the different types of beaks and their uses. So, first type of beak is hooked shape. Birds such as owls, eagles, vultures, hawks have hooked shape beak. This type of beak is strong, sharp and hooked. Beak bites and tears the prey into small pieces. Now the second type is spear shaped. Underline this word. Spear means fork or cone. So birds such as kingfishers and herons have spear shaped beak, and this type of beak is strong, sharp and pointed and helps to spear fish. Now the third type of beak is stainer. Some birds such as ducks and swans have stainer type of beak. This type of beak is strong and flat with stainers all along the edges, allows water and mud to go out through it. Now the next is chisel chisel shaped. Birds such as woodpeckers have chisel shaped beak, and this type of beak is long and cylinder shape, tapering at the tip, and helps to make holes and catch insects in the tree trunks. So students, that's all for the today. In the next class we will see page number 34. So thank you class.